Hello, friends. Good day to you all, wherever you might be right now across the world. Welcome to this channel today. This is Lasogenic Talk. What I have to share with you in today's video is the best way, the best method to make money online with Sunpower. The best method to make money online with Sunpower. What is Sunpower? Sunpower is an online platform whereby they generate residual income for their investors by investing into solar equipment. That is, they generate alternating current. They generate power supply by the use of solar equipment, and in a way whereby everyone can benefit from it. So that is all what sun power entails. Now make money online in solar energy platform. As we all know that whenever there is a solution to a problem, making money it is inevitable. So the problem on ground now is how to generate power supply, and the solution is solar energy, that is generating power supply from the solar energy. Now this is what I'm going to be sharing with you. That is how you can make money from this particular platform, from this investment that is Sunpower. It's what I'm going to share with you step by step, how you can get it done on your own in this video. So all you just need to do is to stay tuned and watch this video to the very end for you to have the full information. Okay, if you are joining us for the first time or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly do that. This video is brought to you courtesy of Lasogenic Talk. So Lasogenic Talk is a channel that is created to share with you my online ideas on how to make money. That is how to be financially secure and settled, how to make residual income, how to make passive income online. Though there have been several online opportunities in the past whereby several people they lost their money in this, but that is not the end of the way. That is not the end of the road. You just need to dust up and start and continue. Okay, your past experience shouldn't stop you from attaining the greater heights before you. All right, so I have several content here that I've done in the past on how you can make money. So just browse through the content on this channel and you can do your own due diligence research before you join any of the content shared here, because Lasogenic Stock is all for financial education and not for financial advice in any means. So you are also expected to be responsible for your action. As I said earlier, if you are here to subscribe to this channel or you are just new here, kindly do that now. Subscribe on this channel and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware whenever I upload new video. Okay, and if after you've watched this video you found it to be very meaningful to you, useful and helpful, then please don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family, as this can be a financial turnaround information they might have been waiting for their financial liberation. Okay, give me the widest publicity that you think this video deserves. All right, so once again, what you are considering today is the best method to make money online with Sunpower. The best method to make money online with Sunpower. Make money online solar energy platform. All right, so quickly let me take you to the platform here, to the app. So this is their app here, Sunpower. All right, this is it right here. So it's Sunpower. So all you need to do is to register. For you to register, I have got it covered. Just check the description box of this video. Check the description box below this video and click on it. You are going to see the registration link right there. So click on it to get registered. Keep your registration information, keep them safe and secured, and then you will be directed to Google Play or App Store depending on the device you are using to download this app, so that you can log in and start making money as I am doing. Okay, so after you are done with your registration, then you need to download the app and open it. Then you are going to input your login details and then you will sign up. So it will bring you down to this page here. Okay, now for you to make money in Sunpower, there are several ways. There are several ways whereby you can make money through Sunpower. The first one is to, there are two ways whereby you can make money with Sunpower. The first one is to buy the solar equipment. That is, you purchase the solar equipment. So for you to purchase, you need to click on this arrow here, on this purchase all. You click on purchase all. So when you click on purchase all, it will bring you down to all the equipment that are available on ground. So you can make money from this equipment. First one here is the Tiger Monofacia. Tiger Monofacia. It only costs 90,000 naira, and you will be earning 117 naira profit per hour. 117 naira profit in 1 hour. So let's do some calculation here. So let's assume you purchase that one and you are earning 117 naira per hour, and that is 24 times in a day. That means you are earning 2,808 naira daily. Multiplied by 30 days, that is 84,240. 84,240 naira in a month. So you almost have your capital back. You have your capital back approximately in a month. All right, so let's go back. You can go for Tiger Monofacia. We also have Cheetah HC. Here you are earning 11 naira 550 kobo per hour, and it only costs 8,000 naira. We have Cheetah HC 72M. It costs 10,000 naira. You are earning 12 naira 3 kobo per hour. And we have Tiger by Facia. It costs 30,000 naira, and it is 36 naira 80 kobo profit per hour. We have the Tiger Pro A72HC. It is 200,000 naira. Then you are earning 285 naira profit per hour. Tiger Pro 72HC is also here. It only costs 500,000 naira, whereby you'll be earning 772 naira profit per hour. And also the Tiger Neo 60HC, it costs 800,000 naira, and you are earning 1350, that is 1,350 naira per hour. So that is the last for now. The Tiger Neo 78 HCBDV is not yet launched. Likewise, the Tiger Neo 72 HCBDV Pro, they are not yet launched. So you just buy any of the available products here, equipment here, and start making money online. So this is the method whereby you can make money online with your mobile phone. So you just need to capitalize on this available opportunity. You don't need to procrastinate. You need to take your decision, to make your decision on time, because anything investment online, it is a function of time. You just need to start when it's very new, when it's very fresh. You need to be among the early birds so that you can have the maximum potential of a site, okay, before anything can happen. So if you are investing, start now. So this is the first way whereby you can make money in Sunpower, and also you can also make money by the financial management. So when you click on financial management, you can see there are several financial management packages there. The first one is 10 days, the second one is 35 days, the third one is 120 days, and the last one is 200 days. For that of 10 days, you are earning 26% on your money. You will have 26% on your money. For the 35 days, you have 160% on your money, and for the 120 days, you have 1,200% on your money, and for the 200 day, you have 2,500% on your money. So it depends on the one that you want, that you would like to choose. So for depending on your own financial strength and your own decision, you can go for any of these. So what you just need to do after you've known how to get money from Sunpower is you need to deposit. So for you to deposit, just click on this icon here. Click on this, excuse me. Click on this icon here, click on me. When you click on me, then click on my wallet. So when you click on my wallet, then you click on recharge. You click on recharge here. So when you click on recharge, then you specify the amount that you want to recharge. Maybe 10,000, 30,000, 200,000, 500,000, 50,000, 90,000, 8,000, 800,000, and 1 million naira. So it depends on the one that you want to deposit. Then you click, and then you click on recharge. You can also deposit through the USDT. So it depends on the one that you want to deposit with, either 50 USDT, 100, 500, 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, 300, 10,000, and 30,000. So it depends on the one that you like to choose. Then you click on recharge. After you have clicked on the recharge, then you are going to see the code, the wallet address for the account you are transferring to. So let's go back to that of Naira. When you click on recharge, you will be directed to the payment gateway whereby you are going to make the bank transfer or you pay with your card, and in a very short period of time your money will reflect here. Your money will reflect in your account here, and you can go ahead with purchasing a package or to the financial management. So your money will reflect here in a very short period of time. So after it has reflected, then you come back to the purchase all and you select the one to buy. Maybe you are buying that of the 30,000 or the 200,000. Just click on buy. When you click on buy, then you are going to confirm. So if you have enough money there, we click on confirm, but I don't have up to that, so I won't click on confirm here. So this is just for the sake of this video. All right, so that is how to go about it in Sunpower. People have been making money. I repeat, people have been making money in this, and I also am not accepted. I'm not exempted. I'm also making money from this platform. So I think it's worth sharing with you guys, so you can do your personal findings and you can do your research before you join it, because many people have been making money through this, and I think if you too can make money from this, it's nothing bad. So thanks so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to stop for today. Okay, thanks so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to stop for today. Don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to do that. Subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell and turn it all. Also share this video with your friends and family and give me a thumbs up, like this video. Thanks so much. Meet me in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now. I love you all. Cheers.